Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making these Scrappy quilted placemats. We'll be using up some of our fabric scraps and strips, and since we'll be using the quilt-as-you-go technique, you'll be able to brighten up your kitchen table or dining room table in no time at all. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a package of craft batting, fabric strips for the front, backing fabric, and a walking foot and some basting spray would be helpful too. First, fold the yard of backing fabric in half and press it. Fold it in half one more time and press it again. Then cut on the pressed lines. And if you're using the packaged batting, go ahead and cut your batting into the 12-inch by 16-inch pieces. Now place one of the backing fabrics with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Center a piece of batting in the middle, and if you'd like, you can use your basting spray to baste the batting to the backing. Next, place one of the fabric strips diagonally with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place another strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down, and align the right edges on the long side of the strip and pin it in place. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Now, since we're using the backing piece as a binding, do not stitch beyond the edge of the batting. Press the fabric strip open. Place the next strip on top of the other strip, right sides facing each other, and stitch using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. And press it open. Continue adding and sewing strips until you reach the corner of the batting. Turn the piece around. Place a strip on top of the last strip with the right side of the fabric facing down. Stitch along the long edge using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. And press it open and follow the same technique to continue adding the rest of the strips. Flip the piece over. Fold the backing out of the way and very carefully trim away the excess ends of the strips without cutting into the backing. Flip the piece right side up. Trim the backing fabric so it measures 1.5 inches away from the edge of the front fabric. To create the binding in the mitered corners, fold the corner of the backing so it meets the corner of the front piece and press it. Open up the fold and cut on the creased line. Fold the cut corner over the corner of the front piece and press it. Fold each side in so the raw edges of the backing meet near the raw edges of the front and press it. Fold the backing fabric over one more time so it becomes the binding on the front and press it. Follow the same technique all around the hot pad. Then adjust the mitered corner if necessary and top stitch around the outside near the open edge of the binding. And follow those same steps to make as many more placemats as you need. And just like that, just that fast, you've used up a bunch of your fabric scraps and have made your own quilted placemats. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.